For the first time today, a woman suspected of playing a role in the deadly shooting of a Portsmouth boy faced a judge. Her court appearance comes as detectives work around the clock to catch the person who pulled the trigger. Angelique Arintok is in the studio after trying to speak with the suspect. Angelique?
Dan, I waited for Shondae Ross to show up for her arraignment this morning in Portsmouth. 40 minutes later, she walked into the courtroom where the judge appointed her a public defender. At this point, Ross is the only person criminally charged in connection to the homicide of 10-year-old Keontre Thornhill.
What was your role on April 26th?
It's not yet clear to us exactly how 31-year-old Shondae Ross of Portsmouth is tied to the deadly shooting of 10-year-old Keontre Thornhill. Ross faces one misdemeanor count of contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Police say a fight between teenage girls broke out on Farragut Street last Friday night.
Ms. Ross, did you condone the fight that happened outside the home of Keontre Thornhill?
At some point during the fight, investigators say someone pulled out a gun and started firing. At a vigil earlier this week, Keontre's family told 13 News Now the 10-year-old was inside the home when a stray bullet hit him.
My son was sitting in the window and he got killed.
Keontre is remembered as a loving son and sibling with an old soul.
He's gonna get justice because I'm gonna be his voice.
Police Chief Stephen Jenkins shared with us Sunday the vow he made to Keontre's family.
Everyone involved in this that we had the ability based on investigation to charge would be charged, whether it was a juvenile or adult or a parent.
On the way out from court Friday, Ross's family had no comment for the most part.
I don't know. I wasn't there. My prayers go out to the family.
Do you know the Thornhills?
Portsmouth detectives are still searching for a person of interest. They want to ask 26-year-old Cleon Banks some questions. It's also not clear exactly how he's linked to the deadly shooting, but he's considered armed and dangerous. If you see him or know where he is, call police right away. Dan.
Okay, Angelique, thanks. And Kavina Thornhill, the mother, told 13 News Now the viewing for her son is this Sunday at Metropolitan Funeral Home in Portsmouth. Keontre's homegoing service is Monday, 11 a.m. at the Mount Portsmouth.